Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and here in this presenting you a great offers. Yes, an year-ending and Black Friday stunning online course presentations and offers are available, which is a low price. Yes, you want to start a trending programming language, database, or Microsoft technologies. Choose your passion and web development, wherever you want to go, or you want to start learning from scratch from experts ideas, expert great inputs. Yes, real world practical environment trending technologies. If you want to start learning, yes, enroll today and start learning a great vast range of courses from harisystems. Want to try more? Find the below link to enroll today and start learning a quick step-by-step processes. Thank you.